How can you be a good fit at your job? First off, the best way to fit is to not compromise. The best way to fit is to be legit. You see what I'm saying? And what I do is I already know that people, anybody at my job can tell you that I, as an individual, is so not solely responsible, but I play a major role in creating a culture at the school that I work at. Because I'm a child of God, because I'm aware of suffer the children, forbid them not. You see what I'm saying? Like when kids come to me, I listen to them. And no matter what my principal needs me to do, I'm doing it, whether it's outside or within the guidelines of my job description, I do it. But I have a smile. The joy of the Lord becomes the culture that I set. People come to me for advice because I do not allow the environment to dictate my vibe. I allow my vibe to dictate the environment. So what happens, you have to understand, is that do not become a product of your environment, but make your environment a product of you. And you do that by capitalize on the joy-filled environment of your home. If your home is full of joy and you have regiments and disciplines and just natural engagement with God that builds that fervor, that builds that joy, that no matter where you go, your shoes are shod with the preparation of peace. That no matter where you go, peace goes. No matter where you go, joy goes. No matter where you go, kindness goes, love goes, long suffering goes. And when you begin to fellowship with the Spirit of God, you will begin to bear ripe fruits of the Spirit. You see what I'm saying? And those fruits is what everybody's looking for. Everybody's looking for love. Everybody's looking for joy. Everybody's looking for kindness. Everybody's looking for long suffering. Everybody's looking for goodness. Everybody's looking for the fruits of the Spirit, but they try to find it through addictions and through emotional attachments. But when you become a pure source of the fruit of the Spirit, you will by default, just because you carry the Spirit of God at a high level, by default, you'll change the environment of wherever you are. So don't worry about fitting in. Just make sure that you legit within. You still be separate. You still be committed, because people respect standards. Many people compromise because they want to be accepted, but because you're accepted by God, you can go in any environment and be kind and be gentle and be loving and be nurturing, but not compromise. So how not to feel as if you fit out or left out is to realize, man, no matter where you go on that job, God is with you. So you can always be in a state of fellowship. I pray in the Spirit often. Anytime I have idle time, I got the Bible playing on my phone. You see what I'm saying? So I'm always in fellowship with God, no matter where I'm at, because I know that He's with me. So don't worry about fitting in. Don't worry about the culture of your job. You create a culture that no matter where you go, the aura about you, the 10 to 15 yard radius of you is impacted by your presence, because you have immersed yourself in the presence of God at home, and you carry that presence with you at a high level that affects the culture, that people just can't help but give you favor. People just can't help but look out for you because of one that you're looking and searching for.